welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sarah and this is my Blessed Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Pozole Verde De Pollo. If you want to know how I make this delicious meal, just stay with me and let's get started. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started on our ingredients. I have 2 pounds of chicken breast and I just put salt and pepper in it. I have 6 garlic cloves, a handful of spinach. I roasted 5 tomatillos, 3 serrano peppers, a half of a zucchini, a half of an onion, and my Poblano peppers. My comal was in use today. These come out just the same. I put it at 400 degrees and I let them sweat. So they're ready to get peeled and de-seeded. But just to let you know, they come out just the same way and you're gonna peel them just the same. It's perfectly fine if you don't use the griddle or the comal to roast or to char your Poblano peppers. Okay, let's go ahead and keep on with our ingredients. We'll have 3 bay leaves, a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of Mexican oregano. You'll need another tablespoon of chicken bouillon. One's gonna go in your boiling water and one's gonna go in your blender. You have a handful of cilantro, and I'm using a 25-ounce can of Mexican style hominy, okay? And you'll also need 2 cups of water. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, on this side, this is the 2 cups of hot boiling water with the bouillon, and I put the bay leaves in here as well, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover this and let it come to a boil. Go ahead and add our chicken in here. We're gonna flatten it all out so they can cook on each side, okay? All right, let's go ahead and turn the chicken over. It's been about 3 minutes on one side. And then we're gonna go ahead and cover it for 3 minutes, okay? So we'll go ahead and put the timer on together and we'll be back in 3 minutes. All right, our timer went off. All right, this is perfect. You don't want it to cook all the way down because you are gonna put this over into the pot of boiling water. I'm gonna take my bay leaves out. So I'm gonna go ahead and discard the bay leaves. Okay, I'm gonna move this over here for the sake of the video. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken and its broth that it made, okay? I'm just gonna add it into this 2 cups of water. I washed and drained the hominy, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in with the chicken as well. Just gonna give that a little stir. I'm just gonna lower it down to about a number 5 right now, okay? And then we're gonna blend our veggies and we'll be right back. All right, to your blender, we're gonna go ahead and add our chiles in, our cilantro. You can add as much or as little as you'd like, okay? Our spinach, onion, the serrano peppers, your tomatillos, your zucchini, your garlic, your Mexican oregano, your pepitas or pumpkin seeds, your tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and you'll need a half a cup of your chicken broth, okay? All right, let's go ahead and give this a blend. All right, see how this sauce is? It's a little thick, but you do have your 2 cups of water in the pot. Let's go ahead and add this into our pot. I'll meet you there in a second. All right, taste it and see if you need any more salt. But before you do that, you always wanna taste what you're gonna put it into. We have salt in here, we have chicken bouillon in here, okay? So go ahead and taste this. This salt is perfect in this. This to me needs a little bit more, but we're gonna add it in here and then we'll try it. Let's give it a good mix. Isn't that pretty color? It smells so good. Those pumpkin seeds give it just a wonderful flavor. Now, if you have someone that's allergic to nuts, you're not gonna need it. It's not gonna break the recipe if you don't have it, okay? It just adds a little rustic flavor to it. It's really good, okay? I feel like I'm gonna need a little bit more salt, and it's always better to have an option to add salt as opposed to take it out. Then you'll have to add water, and then it'll mess up the consistency of your dish, okay? That's perfect. All right, this is still on low. I'm gonna cover this and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. And then that's it. And now for the best part, the taste test. That is so delicious. The spice is perfect to me. On the chile serranos, I use 3. If you don't like too much spice or you like a little bit, just use 1. But this is so delicious. All the flavors complement each other and it is perfect. I'm so excited for you to try this. Don't forget, if you like this video in any way, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please share this video with your friends and your family. And until next time, from my Blessed Kitchen to yours. Bye.
Con tus labios rosados, yo me muero. por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento nadie más lo podrá saber.